Today's question is write a letter of thanks to a stranger who has written your precious bag. You can start with your address, then your the date, and then you can write dear. If you know his full name, you can write name here. If he is elder, you can write sir or ma'am, something like that. So it's up to you, and then you can start the body of the letter. I'm writing to you today to express my sincere gratitude for returning my precious bag. I know that it was not yours, and I'm so grateful that you took the time and effort to find me and return it. The bag was gift from my grandmother who passed away a few years ago. It is very sentimental to me, and I was devastated when I realized that I had lost it. I had been searching for it everywhere. I was starting to lose hope, and I would ever see it again. When you returned the bag to me, I was so relieved and grateful. I can't thank you enough for your kindness and thoughtfulness. You have restored my faith in humanity. The bag was in a perfect condition. I know that you took great care of it. I'm so grateful you did not just keep it for yourself. You are a true hero. Thank you again for returning my bag. It means world to me. Then you can write sincerely and then your name. Fine. So that's how you can write a letter. If you want, you can take the screenshot. Fine. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.